Okay, if you want to create table, compulsory what? A database will be there. Okay. Now tell me, we'll work on development database. Suppose like this is my database. This is my schema. Now try to create. So these are the DMLs. We try to insert. Okay. Okay. So before that, tell me in Snowflake DMLs are what? Auto commit or explicitly you should commit? Anyone?
In Snowflake DMLs are auto committed.
Auto committed. Okay. How to check? Go for show parameters. If you see, by default it will be auto committed. Okay, so in the sense like what? No need to commit DMS. Okay, so this is fine. Okay, now go back here. Now I want to see this data. Tell me, how can I see this data? How can I see this data?
Select star from.
Okay, so select star from. So that is DRL, data retrieval or data query. Select statement. Select star from table. Okay, so this is my table. Okay, so we are trying to see select statement also. Now go back here. Now here, what is star? Tell me this one. Let's see. Okay, so filtering concept and sorting. Tell me what is star here?
Operation.
So name, what is the star name? Star name. It's a star is a projection
operation.
Okay, operator. It's okay. What it will do? It will project all the columns in the table. One more time. So see, okay. Before that, tell me in this table, I want the list of columns. How can I see list of columns? Describe table. Okay, see, describe. So this is my employee, these are the columns. Same thing, first employee. So whatever the order we created, same order it will come. Now see, select star from employee. What will happen? So put semicolon. It will project all the columns. Employee name is projecting all the columns and all the records. All the columns and all records. Suppose like if I don't want all columns, I want only specific columns. Then what I should do? I should write the required column. Selected. Suppose like I want employee ID, employee name from employee table. So okay, see, earlier what I want all columns, that's why I'm selecting all columns. Now I don't want all columns, I want only specific columns. I can get the point, sir. So we are discussing like this again. Now go back here. Now try to execute one more time. So it will projecting all the columns and all the records. Now requirement is that part I don't want all the records. So see, all columns and all records. Now I want only department 300. Tell me which concept will come into picture. I don't want all the records. I want only specific record. So based on the condition. Okay. Now which concept will come into picture?
Concept is filter concept.
Filtering concept. Class. Filtering concept is
user where class.
Where class. Where department ID equals to 300. Okay, so 300. Okay, see specific. See what happened. Okay, so department ID. So earlier what is projecting? So how many records are there total? 8 records. See 8 records. But I don't want all records. I want only department 300. This is called as filtering concept. Basically filtering and sorting. Okay, see, filtering is nothing but what? Filtering or where class, it is a specific records. Okay, those condition records only we are trying to fish the data. Okay, see, we are getting only 300 department. Okay, now suppose like I want specific records and specific columns. Suppose like I don't want all the columns. I want only employee ID, employee name. Okay, employee name like this. So like this specific columns we can get. Clear, Suffer? So this is all columns and okay, see all columns and specific record. This is specific columns and specific records. Okay, see one more time. If I go for this now, it is giving what? Star. It is projecting all the columns and all the records in the particular table. Okay, so see, these are the important. Okay, see all columns and all the records. Getting a so like this way you can have this is specific columns and all records. This is all columns and specific records. See, understand these headings are columns, these are data. Once you see now, we'll go for use cases. Okay. So clear, Suffer? Like this way. So describe table. So next step is that what? We'll go for Suppose like I want a department ID 300 and I want employee ID 40. Then so I want this department. Suppose like copy the same thing. So see, okay, now I'm getting department 300. Now department 300, I want to get salary 75,000. Then anyone? I want to get 75,000 salary. Then
Use
what
and.
okay, so where is salary? Now next step is that what? Only remember only one where class will come for every selection. Okay. Tell me.
Use and in where class.
Where only one.
And.
Okay, see the same thing. Now what now? So see this value. Now what happened? Now I want, so this value, see compulsory, see what is projecting 8 records. Now it is giving only 300. This department is 3. Now what happened? 300 is there. Now I want to get salary. Now it says, see, this is the compulsory, one more compulsory countries and salary equals to 75,000. Now how many records will come? It will come only 3 records, 2 records. Okay, now suppose like I want to get only employee ID for now. One more time, and employee ID equals to 4. Okay, so get to the point. So see, so this is where is compulsory condition. See 300. So department ID only 300 will come. Now what happens? See 75,000, 75,000, 8,000. Now second condition say, so see only 7. So this condition is satisfied. Again is can. Now again what? 4 and 40 out of this we should get only 4. So in the sense like what? So where is compulsory condition, optional condition? Where is a compulsory condition? What is and is also compulsory condition. Okay, so remember, so one is suppose like go back here. Now I put 75,000, which is fine. Now what happened? Now I'm putting like 400. Tell me what is the output? What output will get? Anyone? Output is what? What is output? Record will come or it won't come?
It won't come.
It won't come.
Why?
Because employee is not available.
Okay, see the same thing. So under condition is no, if any can see this condition, it's giving records. 3 records. It's giving records. Now what happened? We're having only 4 and 40 now. 400 is it won't work. Suppose like when I put 4, it will give records. But when I put 3000, tell me it will work. So it won't give any record. So in the sense like what? So where condition is compulsory, if any condition fail, we don't get any data. So this is compulsory condition, compulsory condition, compulsory condition. Get the point, sir? See one more time. Now I want to see all the columns and all the records. Then I should go for select star from employee. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now what happened? I want department ID 300. Then we should go for where class, where department ID equals to 300. Okay, so 300. Get the point, sir? Now suppose like I want to get department ID 300 as well as department ID 200. Tell me how can I want to get 300 as well as 200. Tell me it work and it work and equal to it work. Tell me in one department ID 300, department ID 200. It work. Yes or no?
It will work.
It will work, right?
And this compulsory.
Okay, see in the sense like what? Okay, now tell me, see, for one record, is it possible to have 2 departments? Huh? So see, you are asking for, see, earlier what we discussed is department ID 300. Now what it will give? It will give only department 300. Now tell me, for one record, we are expecting 300 as well as 200. See, it is not possible. It won't give. Okay, see, okay, in the sense like what? For one department ID, we are expecting 200 and 300. It is not possible. Okay, so we should not write like this. Okay, so we should pick either 300 or either 200. Now we should go for instead of and we should write what? We should write R class. Okay, so R operator. Okay, see. Okay, now so it will pick. See, suppose like what happened? It will pick only department 300. Okay, now we want department at 300 or department 200. So it will pick either this value or this 200, 300. Suppose like I'm putting like 2000. Tell me what will happen? 2000 department is there.
No, it's not available. Yep.
So then what we'll get? We'll get only 300.
300.
Okay, so in the sense like what? So this value or this value. Okay, so when match this value, suppose I put 3000, then 3000.
No,
It won't, because where class is there, no, where is compulsory. See, out of these two conditions, at least one condition should be satisfied. Otherwise, it won't give any data. So this is important. So where is compulsory condition and the compulsory condition? What about R? R is optional.
R is optional.
Optional condition. So these are basics. Okay, see. So ultimately, what we'll try to work on select statements. Okay. So once you see, we'll go for use cases. Okay. Go back here. Like this, we can able to get that. So this is fine. Now come back here. Now select a star from table. It is projecting all the columns and all the records in the employee table. Suppose now I want employee ID to employee 3. Then where if I want only employee 2, we give employee 2. Suppose if I want to get employee 2 as well as employee, then we should go for R employee ID 3. Same thing. I want to get one more employee ID 4. Same thing, I want employee ID 40. Tell me our code is good looking. Huh? This much, okay, see this much. Okay, see this value, this value. So instead of this, how can I write? Instead of multiple R, how can I write this in simplify? Anyone? Instead of
condition.
Which one?
Employee ID in.
Okay, we should go for in. Okay, so in our see instead of no, this value or this value or this value. See 4 records are there. We can able to write simply employee ID in 2, 3, okay, so 2, 3, 4, 40. Okay, see, so it will give second record, third record, fourth record, and 40. Okay, get it one some. Okay, so one more time. So see, you can able to write like this, or you can able to write. Okay, see, in is nothing but say multiple R. In is also it's a multiple R condition. Tell me it's a compulsory optional condition. This in value suppose like so 400. Now I'm putting 400. Now it is not working. So it will give. So see what 400. Now it is not working. Okay. Now it is not working. Okay. So in a sense like what? So see this is where is compulsory condition. So in is multiple R. It will pick this value, this value, this value. So when one matches, so see this value is matching, this value is matching, this value. See suppose like I put like this. Okay, so it will give only match the condition. Okay, get the point. So say it's also optional condition. Getting the point. So see, okay. So where is compulsory? And is compulsory. R is compulsory. R is optional. In is optional. R in is a multiple R condition. Okay. Now tell me and remember one thing. In select statement, only first where will come. Only one where. Okay, and we can have multiple and multiple. It's clear, Safar? So this is fine. Now go back here. Now again see selected star from employee. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4. Again bigger value. Again like this. Now I want to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 40, 49. I want to do sorting. Then how can I do sorting in SQL?
Use order by class.
Okay. Okay. Use by sorting in SQL. We should go for order by. Okay. Order by column name employee ID. See employee ID. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 40, 49. So by default, it's an ascending star. One more time. So select star from employee. It is projecting like normally. Okay. What happened? It is not getting sorted. So it is not getting sorted. Okay. Now what happened? Now I want to get so smaller to bigger value. That is ascending star. So smaller value, we should go for what? We should go for order by employee ID ascending ASC. So by default, when you don't put no C, it is ascending star. Okay. If you want to get descending, DESC. So descending. Okay. So ascending star and descending. See bigger value to smaller value. Get it once a little bit. Okay. So by default, it's if you put order by now, it will be ascending star. Getting the point some. So understand these things, we'll go for further concept. You see, this is filtering concept and sorting concept. Now come back here one more time. Now see the same thing. Now suppose like I want to get department ID 100 and 200. So where department ID in 100, 200. Okay. So 200. Okay, suppose like I want 300 departments, so 300 people. Okay, now, so see, I want to do salary column sorting. Then we should make some order by class. Order by should be last. Order by salary descending. So bigger value to smaller value. Okay. Now what happens? Suppose like I want to pick, okay, so salary range from 50,000 to 75,000. Okay. Now requires that what I want to fetch only in the range of 50,000 to 75,000. Tell me, how can I write for range of values?
Between.
Okay, see, before that, can we go for and condition? See, and salary, multiple values, how can I write? Salary in 50,000, 50,001, 50,002, 50,003. Like this, we can tell me, is it follow? 50,004. It is not possible. Okay, not possible because no, there are multiple records of the distance. So for range of values, so important. For range of values, we should go for what? We should go for between concept. So, okay, getting the point. So see, for range of values, we should go for between. Okay, go back here. Okay, so syntax is that what? So it is not possible. So range of values, so between. So and the salary between, what is starting limit? Starting limit is 50,000 and ending limit is 75,000. Okay. And 75,000. Okay. Now tell me, we'll get 75,000 or not? Important.
Yeah, we will get 75,000 included.
You will get 50,000 or not? Lower limit and upper limit.
I will get lower
We'll
limit.
get lower limit and upper limit. See the same thing. Try to execute. Okay, see. It is giving 50,000. Okay, I'll put as set. Okay, see. 50,000 coming 7. In the sense like what? So lower limit and upper limit both are inclusive values. Okay, so this is important. Okay. So lower limit and upper limit both are inclusive. Okay, so lower boundary or limit and upper boundary or upper limit both are inclusive. Very good, sir. Increase. Okay, see. So lower limit and upper limit both are increase. Getting the points a little bit like this. Okay, now go back here. Now one more question. Copy the same thing. Now I put 50,000, 50,000. Okay. Now tell me 50,000, 50,000 of records will come or it won't come. If records come, how many come? Tell me. 50,000 and 50,000. Tell me.
One record.
One why? Simple thing. Tell me. So range of values now I'm giving. So you just now see 50,000, 75,000 both are increased. That's why you're getting 50,000, 7. Now question is that what I put 50,000, both 50,000. Now records will come or it won't come. Both are same values.
Always you give like a lower bound to upper bound.
This is lower limit and upper limit. Now question is that what you go or not? A simple thing only. Tell me. Tell me. So just now discuss now. So it's give lower limit and upper limit. Okay. So this is fine. Okay. Now tell me it will give or not. So if you understand this concept now, 50,000, 75, that's giving records now. So 50,000 and 50,000. Okay. Tell me. Tell me.
I think it will not give any records.
No, just as we are discussing, okay, see, it will give. So lower limit value, it's matching, it's giving a record. So upper limit value, it's giving record. Okay, see, 50,000 is there. So these values are there. Same thing now. Point is that what I'm giving lower limit as same thing and upper limit. Okay, see, it will give records. Okay, see, the same thing. Get the points. See, okay, this is important concept. Okay, range of values we go for between concept. Okay, lower limit. Okay, less than upper limit. Okay, see now this, understand the concept is that what this lower limit value is matching with this value. So see 50,000, 55,000. So in the range. So starting from 50 to 75,000. So 50,000, 75,000. So lower limit, upper limit, art increase. Same concept now. Instead of putting, now I'm putting like starting limit, ending. So now we're getting 50,000 is there. Now we're getting the value. Getting the points. Okay, see. So this is matching. So this is matching. So we're getting 2 records. Okay, same thing. Now one more time, copy the same value. Now what now I'm putting 50,000 and 50,000 dot 001. Now tell me it work. Huh? Okay. Now this one. So this one. Okay. Now tell me it work. Huh?
No, it not work, Praveen.
Why?
Because lower value bigger than the highest value.
Okay. See. Now
Upper
see
value.
what happened. Okay. It won't work. So reason is that what? Always this lower limit should be either less than upper limit or it should be equal to upper limit. Okay. It will give. Suppose that if it is greater than, no, it won't work. Won't give any result. Okay, so this is one important. So always this lower limit should be either less than, see, it is less than upper limit, or it should be, okay, see, it is less than upper limit, or it should be equal, both are equal. So now what happened, this is greater than this value, it won't give any returns. Okay, suppose like I put like 001. Now tell me it work or not?
It will work.
It will work. Same thing. Okay. So understand the concept like this only. Okay. So into questions. Okay. So starting limit, end limit matching, no, it will give records. If you don't know if records are not, it won't give. But so when both are same, these are inclusive. Inclusive in the sense, okay, these records are inclusive. Okay. Get the point, sir. Those will consider. Okay. So lower limit should be less than upper limit or should be equal with upper limit. So same thing. Now come back here. Same thing. Next step is that what? Okay, select staff from employee. Okay, employee. Now I want to do sorting. Tell me how can I do sorting? Order by employee ID, ascending or descending. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 40, 49. Okay. Now what happened? Now I know starting limit. Suppose like I know employee ID 4. I know starting limit. I don't know ending limit. One more time. I want to get list of employees who are starting from employee ID 4. Okay, 4. So I want to pick 4, 5, 6, 40, 14. Okay. Tell me how to write. I know starting limit only. I don't know ending limit. Then so we should go for where class. Tell me. So where employee ID in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We don't know ending value. Can I write up to 1,000? Is it problem? So I know starting limit. I don't know ending limit. Then how can I do these things? Anyone? Tell me anyone. I know starting value. I don't know ending value. Then simply you can go for what? Greater than or equals to. Copy the same thing. So see employee ID starting. If I put equal to now, it will give 4th record. I know starting limit. I don't know. Simply I'll put greater than or equals to 4. Okay, get the point. So same thing in a similar fashion. I know ending limit, that is 40. Okay. Ending limit 40. Okay, I don't know starting. Then simply we put where employee ID less than or equals to 40. Get the point. So this is very, very important. Okay. When I know starting limit greater than or equal to 40, when I know ending limit, you can go for less than or equal to 40. Suppose like I know starting limit 4, I know ending limit 40. Then what is the concept will come in future? Tell me, just now discuss. So I know starting value, I know ending value. Okay. Then where? Tell me, just now discuss. I know starting limit, and so where employee ID between starting limit 4 and employee ID 40. Okay, only between concept. Just now we discuss one concept. Tell me.
Greater than less than.
Okay, see, I know starting limit. No, just now see, I know starting limit. Simply what? Select star from employee. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. But what happened? I want. Okay, I want what? I want starting limit. So starting from first. So I will write simply. So where employee ID. Where employee ID greater than or equal to 4. You see what happened? So I'll do the starting. Okay. Order by employee ID. So it is assigning sort. Now see, we are getting what are the records we are getting? We are getting 4, 5, 6, 40, 49. Okay. But what happened? I want get starting limit and ending limit. Simple, right? One more and condition and employee ID less than or equals to 40. See what happened? Will get so 49 will get 49, 40, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Now what happened? See, okay, so fourth one is matching. Okay, fifth one is matching. Sixth one is matching. Then 40. So in the sense what this condition need to satisfy and this can. So where is compulsory condition? So starting with 4, 4, 5, 6, 40, ending so 40, 40, 40, see 40, 40, 45 like this. Now what happened? It will give this value and this value. So this condition matching. So this is compulsory. When I know starting limit and then we will go for either between concept, we'll go for employee greater than equal to 4, less than equal to 40. Okay, so filtering concept and sorting concept. Okay, so once I'm comfortable, we'll go for our use case. Okay, I'll open a simple example that is Flipkart application. Okay, see, so Flipkart, what happened? It is projecting so grocery, mobiles, so all seats. Assume it's a table. Okay, now tell me how to see the tables, how to see the records. Select star from Flipkart. What it will do? It is projecting all the columns and all the records in the Flipkart table. Okay, so see the same thing. So it is projecting what all the columns, so grocery items, mobiles, fashion, all this thing. It's projecting all the columns and all the records, all columns and all records. Okay, assume it's having 5 lakh records are there in this table. Okay, suppose like it's not working. Yeah? We go for this. Suppose like opening Myntra. Okay. Okay. Okay, see, grocery, mobiles, all this. Okay. Now suppose like I want to purchase a phone. Okay, I want to purchase a phone. Tell me when you want to purchase a phone, do we require grocery, electronics, appliances, these all things? So tell me, we don't want. We want only specific phone category. Now which concept will come into picture? Now I want such phone. Now tell me which concept come into picture. So this is filtering concept. Filtering concept. So filtering concept start with which class? Start with where class. Where category equals to phone. Now see, from 5 lakhs, it is reducing to 9,000 records. Tell me, as a end user, can I search for 9,000 records? It is not possible. Not possible. Okay, see, 9,000 records. Now, from this 9,000 records, I am having budget of 10,000 and 30,000. So this is my budget. Okay, so this is my budget. When I have this much budget, can I go for 2 lakhs phone? No. Can I go for less value phone? No. Okay, so this is my budget. Okay, I want, this is my range of value. See, so see what happened. Now go for price 10,000 and price 30,000. See, for range of values, which concept will come into picture? Between. Now tell me, from 9,000 reducing to 3,000. So reducing in the sense that it's a compulsory condition, optional condition, say compulsory condition and what? And price between 10,000 and 30,000. See, this is my starting limit and ending. See, from 9,000 reducing to 30,000 and 3,000. Suppose like I'm using only Samsung brand. So when I'm using Samsung brand, do you require view all this thing? Yeah, we don't want. See, from 3,000 it's reducing to 441. See, reducing the sense it's a compulsory condition. And what? This thing? What the value? And brand. Okay, so brand. Okay, see, brand equals to Samsung. Now see, reducing to how many cards? Around 400 cards. 400 cards. Okay. Now one more time, this is important. See, 400 cards. Now I want Samsung brand, also Vivo. See, from 400 is increasing to 725. It is compulsory condition, optional condition. Optional condition. So see, I want to pick either Samsung or either Vivo. Now what happened? So optional condition, if we go for what? We should go for R. Okay, see, R. Like this, if you run, it's a simple and easy. Brand equals to Vivo. Okay, same thing. So Vivo. Now one more brand, suppose like I go for Oppo. See, from 700 this increases to 970. one more brand, that is R concept or brand equal to Oppo. Okay, Oppo. See, it will pick either Samsung brand, Vivo brand, or Oppo brand. Okay, get the point, sir. So see 979. 979. Okay, so it will pick, see, it's picking which brand? So Vivo, Samsung, Oppo. See, it will pick either this value or this value or this option. Now, instead of writing multiple R, how can I simplify this code? Simplify this query. Instead of multiple R, we can go for in. So R is okay, multiple R, we can go for in. So remember, equality work for only one. If you want to get multiple values, you should go for in. In Samsung, comma, Vivo, comma, Oppo. Okay, see, either Samsung value, Vivo, or Oppo, we can. Getting the point, sir? So it will be, so totally how many cards are there? 979 cards are there. Same thing. Now go back here. Now I want to get only 4 GB. See, 306. Now it's a compulsory condition. See, and condition. And RAM equals to 4 GB. 4 GB. Get the point, sir? 4 GB. Okay. So clear so far? Now same thing. Now what happened? Now I want 40% or more. I know starting limit only then. Tell me. I know starting. So starting, okay, I want what I want. So 40% or more. And tell me how when you know starting limit, we should go for what? And
greater than
discount
greater
than
than 40.
Greater than equal to 40. Okay. At last I was see 10,000, 11,000, 10,000. Now I want to do sorting. How to do sorting? We should make so see low to high. So low to high is nothing but say so order by price, ascending or descending. So descending. Okay, so nearest first. Okay, this is all. So this is the filtering concept. At last we want to the sorting concept. Now these two, now this out of 7 phones, now I can able to choose my phone. Okay, so this is important. Okay, see. So this is filtering. So it is projecting all the columns and all records. I don't want all columns and all records. I want only phone. Okay, so this is my budget. These are my favorite brands. So these are the specification and this is the discount. Okay. Ultimately, we should go for filtering concept and sort. So filtering and sorting. Same thing. Now go back here. Now try to open. So this is Myntra application. Now this is what? It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now how can I say this thing? So select star from Myntra. What it will do? It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now I want to purchase a shirt. Tell me if you want to purchase, do you require home link? So no. You see, I want to purchase a shirt. You see, now what happened? So from assume like 5 lakh records, it is reducing to 1.5 lakh. You see, assume like select star from Myntra, it is giving 5 lakh records. Now I want only shirt. So where category equal to shirt. Now how many records reducing? See, from 5 lakh records, it is reducing to 1.5 lakhs. Okay. Now tell me, as an end user, can I search for 1.5 lakh records? Sir, it is not possible. Okay, link expiring, come back. So now what happened? Now tell me, I am purchasing for myself. Do you go for women? Boys, girls? No. I want to purchase for only myself. So I want to get men. See, from 1.5 it is reduced to 1 lakh. Okay, so now records are is a compulsory condition and gender. Okay, equal to men. Okay, see, from 1.5 it's reducing to 1 lakh. Now 1 lakh also it's not possible. Okay, now what happened? Now I want to get blue color. Okay, see blue color. Tell me blue color in the sense like what? So from 1.1 lakh it reduces to 20. Now it's a compulsory condition and color equals to blue. Then experiment come back. Okay, now this is fine. Okay, see color equal to blue. Now what happened? Color equal to blue. Now how many cards came? It came 22k, 22,000 cards came. Okay, so 22 came. Okay, now what happened? Now I don't want. So see, I don't want. Okay, so 22,000. Okay, now blue as well as I want to get white. Okay, see how many cards came totally? So 78,000. Tell me it's a compulsory. It's an optional condition. We can write good. So we can go for R condition. Okay, see color R, color equal to blue. Okay, or color equal to white. Okay, white. Okay. Or like if I want to go for, suppose like I want to have so navy blue color. See what happens? So it's reducing, it increasing to 40. Now it's a one more R condition. Okay, R condition. Okay. R color equals to what is the color? Okay, color equal to white. Okay, say one more color is a navy blue. Okay. Okay. So now instead of R condition, how can I simplify this code? Tell me instead of all this thing, we can write what? We can write. Tell me. And color. Tell me how can I write? Tell me instead of this thing, how can, so this is multi. We can go for color in. Okay, blue color. Then white color, comma, navy blue. Okay. So see like this. You see how many cards came as of now? See, we are getting 50k cards. 50k cards. 50k cards. Now this is fine. Now next step is that what out of this 50k, I'm using only, okay, so arrow brand. Okay, see, from 50,000 reducing to 948. Tell me, is the compulsory condition, optional condition, this one? Tell me, compulsory condition, optional, say, tell me. Tell me.
So compulsory.
Compulsory, see, when records are reducing, say, compulsory condition, okay, see, compulsory condition. Okay, see, go back here. Now try to write what condition? And one what and brand. Okay, see, brand equals to arrow. Okay, see, arrow. Okay, suppose like brand equals to arrow. Suppose like I want to get other brand. Okay, I go for Allen Solly. See, increasing. So increasing is a optional condition. You can go for in condition or go for R condition. See, arrow, comma, Allen Solly, something. Okay, Allen Solly. Okay. Not only how many cards came as of now. See, there are, okay, see, 2000. So 2000 also a little bit bigger. So 2 carry. Okay. Now what happened? Now see the same thing. Now I want to go for 766 and 1587. Okay. I want to get starting limit. And so this range of values. Then range of values should go for what concept? Range of values should go for what concept?
Between concept.
So you can go for between concept. Okay, only between.
Greater than, less than.
Tell me. So we will go for, first we go for, so greater than, okay, see, okay, so starting limit, ending limit. So range of values, we should go for what? We should go for between concept and price between what? Between 766. Okay. So 766. Like this only the code. Okay. So like logic. Okay. Starting limit and ending limit is what?
1587.
1587. 1587. Okay. Starting limit and ending limit is like this. Okay. So this is fine. Now in a similar fashion, suppose like I want to go for one more range. Okay. See, I see. One more time. Okay, 1 second. Okay, now see the same thing. Now starting limit is, see how many cards? 1000 cards. Now I am trying to add one more condition. See, this is like this. Not only it's a compulsory condition, optional condition. So increasing is in a optional condition. So either this value or tell me, can you put in condition here? It will work in condition. Tell me. So see, price between 1587 248. Okay, so 1587 and 2408. Right. Okay. Now tell me, instead of this one, can I go for in condition? In condition. In condition. Yes, no. Is it below? So price in 766, 1587, comma 1587, 2408. Is it below? Tell me. Anyone? Okay.
So
Okay. See,
instead
go back.
of between 766 to 2408, can we change?
No, my point is that what? So price, can I put in 756, 1587, comma 1587, comma 2408.
No,
okay.
It's not work
Okay,
because
it will
it's
give
range of
only
values.
this values only. So specific values only it will give. Okay. So see this value here like this. So it won't work here. Okay. See in a similar fashion 240. Now I want to have one more condition. See I want pick 240 3299. See one more R condition. Okay. So R 2408. So what's the value? 32229. So 3229. Okay. Now by seeing this use case, tell me. Oh yes. Okay. So by seeing this use case, okay. Now instead of putting 3 condition, I want to write in a single condition. How can I write in a single condition?
You know your
Less than or equal to, price less than or equals to.
Okay. So tell me one more time what we should write.
Price between
And
76
price
to and
less.
322.
Okay.
Greater than and less than. Kan.
Okay. See between it work between based on between we'll try to see.
it work, Brian.
Okay, see, so see starting limit, so see 1587. So 248, I know what? I know starting limit, I know ending. One more time. So see 1587 is matching here, it is matching here. So I know starting limit, simply I know limit. Simply what we can write, instead of writing this much code, we can only simply write. So price between 766 and 3299. Okay, so this is important. So see, go back here. Okay. So since to remove all these things for understanding purpose. Okay. So see, always follow the coding alignment. So these are the coding. Then our code will be looking good, I guess. So price between 767, see 1587, we can able to remove. Okay, see again 248, I can able to remove. So see, I know starting limit, I know ending limit. Okay, get the point. So see, so starting limit and ending. Instead of writing like this 767, is there another option? Another option, see starting, ending. Any other option? Tell me. Starting limit. So other than between, just to discuss somebody tell me.
Sir, can we use operator less than the
Yeah, that's
column
what
name?
we can go for less than. Okay, see, copy the same value. Okay, so price greater than or equals to 766 and so price less than or equals to less than or equal to so 322. Like the starting limit, I know ending limit. Okay, so instead of writing multiple conditions, is this value again this value matching again this value. So instead now we can able to go for between or greater than or equal to less. Now how many cards came as of now? See 2000. So 2000 is a little bit bigger value. Now what happened? I want to get discount 40% and above. Okay, now so starting limit only I know. Then we should go for what? And tell me and discount starting limit greater than equals to 40. Okay, so starting at the point, so it will be like this. Clear suffer. So like this, only the things will be there. Okay, so greater than equal to 40. Clear suffer. Yes or no? Let's see, totally 1200 records. So a little bit bigger. Okay, so you can able to put 60% up. Okay, see, of one record. So this is records are say compulsory. See 290 records. Okay, now see the value 1249, 49. So see bigger, smaller value, bigger value, smaller value. Now I want to do sorting. How can do sorting? We should go for what? We should go for which class? Order by class. At last we should go for order by. So price ascending or descending. By default it's an ascending set. See, now go back here. Now try to do the sorting. Sorting my so price high to low. Okay, see high to low. So see 2249 like this. So price low to high. Okay, see it is like this 959 like this. Okay. Same thing now I put customer rating. Now not only it's an ascending set or descending set. See the data and tell me it's an ascending or descending set. Anyone? So 5, 5, 5, 4.6. Tell me ascending or descending set.
Descending.
Descending, no, 5 from 5 descending to 5, 4 is a descending set like this. See, by default it's an ascending set, so we can. Okay, so see the same thing, clear as of our lives. This is filtering concept and sorting concept. Okay, see, so it's projecting all the columns and all records. Now only shed category, only men category. So and this is a compulsory condition. Okay, in is it can pick this value or this value or this value. Okay, when I know starting and end limit, we should go for between concept, or if you go specifically, should go for like this. Okay, say starting limit, ending limit, we can go for it. Ultimately, we'll do the starting. Same concept. Now go back here. Now what happened? One second. For the table we created just now. Employee. So now tell me, I want to get this database, this schema. So click on this thing, set worksheet context. So this table, okay, so select start from employee. Okay, see employee. Okay, now see, I want only department ID column. Okay, see department ID. Okay. Now see what happened. 100. So I want to do sorting. How can do sorting? We should go for order by department ID. Now see, it's giving. So 100, 200, 300. Now what happened? Instead of 2 times 100, instead of 2 times 300, now I want to get only 100, 1 200, 1 300. Now tell me how to get. Any idea? I want to get 100, 200. So we'll go for what keyword? It is distinct keyword. So distinct will give one more. See what happened. So it is giving, see when I put like this, what happened? It's giving 100 2 times, 200 3 times, 300 3 times. Now what happened? Instead of putting like this, I want to get only one time, single time. Then which makes up which class? Which keyword? Distinct keyword. Okay, so distinct. Okay, same thing. Now suppose like I want to get 300 top, then we should go for descending. Okay, so this DS. Okay, so same thing, same concept. Now see here. Okay, now see, there are multiple arrow brands. So they are displaying only one time. Now what's the concept using? They're using distinct brand. Getting the concept? Clear suffer? So they are using distinct. See, only one record. See, so these are the distinct brands you can have. Okay, see, like this. Okay, getting a little bit at least. Okay, so seeing this use case, you should be in a position what the concept they're using. Like this, we should be. Okay, so these are the distinct brands. Okay, see, this is filtering concept and the sorting concept. Okay, see, select star from table, projecting one for all the records, only shirt category, only men, only blue color, white color, navy blue, and specific brands. And this is my budget, and this is my discount. And at last, we should do the sorting concept. Okay, now come back to our use case. Okay, we'll see the same thing. Like this one, you should prepare. Okay, seeing this one, if you try next, simple and easy things clear. Okay. Now to go back here, so okay. Before that, tell me. So this is stock quantity price is there. Now I want to get stock quantity price amount. Tell me how to get the amount. How to get this amount? 450, 975. How we
multiply the quality and price.
Okay, multiply quantity into price. Okay, quantity. Suppose like if I want to add a new column, then if you want a new column, then how to add a new column in the table?
Use alter command.
Okay,
alter
now tell me table created. Now what about data? How to get the data? No, see what happened.
Use.
Okay, now the question is that what? Okay, see quantity and price will get this value. Now we need to add a new column. How can I add a new column? Which makes up order command. Now how to populate this data? How to populate this data? I'm reading 1 second.
By using it.
So now go back here. Now try to create this table. Concluding. Now take the same thing, copy the value, select star from our table. See what happened? It is projecting so all the columns and all records. Now requirements that what I want to get this amount. How to get this amount? Now tell me. We should use what? Okay, so we should use what? Comma quantity into price. Okay, see, now I'll get quantum of 450. Now see the same thing, but what happened? They want to give one proper name. Now our name is what? It's like this. I want to give one proper name. Now which concept will come into picture? Proper name.
Alias
Column alias concept. Okay, see, so this name is not good looking. I want to give one proper name. So their proper name, what are expectation? Like this amount. Okay, see amount. See amount. Okay, it's a column alias. Okay, see column. But what happened when I give lowercase? It's taking uppercase. But what their expectation is that they want to get like this case. So then what we should write? So this is column alias. Okay, see what we should write? We should make double quotes. When you put double quotes, no, it will give as this value. Yes. So this is called as column alias, giving one proper. Now question is that what I want to give data. Okay, see my point is that what I want to create a table. I want to see. So 1 second. So see, select star from grocery tree. Okay. Now in this grocery tree, I want to get this new column. How to get the new column? Tell me. By which concept? How can I get
alter keyword?
Alter keyword. Tell me syntax. Alter table name. Add amount.
Column.
Dates and number. Okay, this is fine. Now tell me the new column will get added amount. Now what about data? By default, what value will get popular for the 6 records? By default,
null value.
It will be null value. So it will be see what happened. It will be added at the last. Okay, now it will be null value. Now question is that what I want to get here 450 these values. Okay, I want to get 450, 975, 525, 820. Now how to get? How can I get?
Update through you can.
Okay, so if you want to modify the data, we should make of which concept? We should make of update class. Update statement, update table name, set amount equals to. Tell me amount equals to.
Using the select statement or out before you.
Why? What equal?
Set amount is equal to the multiplication.
Multiplication of what?
Quantity into price.
Quantity. Simply know what happens. So we'll take the value. We'll try to multiply it. So quantity into price. Okay, see, we are getting this value. Okay, now see the data cross-verify data will be. Okay. It's not about to select. Okay, so update now where. Okay, simply can able to multiply for all. See 450 like this it went on. Okay, so selecting this value we can able to. Okay, get to the point, sir. So let's say there are so many concepts. Let's see. So we are trying to give one proper name. This is called as column. Yes. Okay. So if you want to add a new column, we'll go for alt statement and we can able to make it done. Okay. So like this, the things now practice like this. It's a simple and easy things clear. Okay. Now go back to our topic. Like this, you should prepare. Okay. So now 1 or 2 guys only send in the task. Okay. So do the task and send to me for validation. Okay. Now same thing, go back here. Now Zomato, Zepto, Zoom is there. Okay, see. So Zomato, Zepto, Zoom. Okay, now if I perform ascending sort, which one come first? Tell me, Zoom or Zepto or Zomato? Ascending sort.
Second one will come first.
So see what happens. So see Z column, same. Now we should go for second column. Which is the small value? So Zepto is the small value. Now from this one, Zomato, Zepto, Zoom, which is the small value? So first column same, second column same. Now which one is smaller value?
First one.
So Zepto, Zoom. Okay, so this is like this ascending sort. Okay, so like this only things will be there. Okay, go back here. Now we'll see one more concept. So these are the questions I'll try to post, try to answer. Okay. Now take the same value. Take the same value. Okay, this is important logic. Okay. So just now discuss, just to confirm. Okay. So assume like this is the price column. So price column. So select star from table. So now what happened? Okay, now I want to get only this condition. Okay, tell me where price? Where price?
Price
Less
equal
than
to
25.
greater than 25,000.
See greater or what? See asking less than
Less than
35,000.
Yes, okay, less than 25.
So where price
Okay.
less than or equal to
Less than or equal to
25,000. Same
25,000.
thing. Suppose like I won't have this condition then. Range of values.
25,000 to 50,000.
What's the context syntax? What we should put? Which keyword? Where price
Where price
Between?
between
25,000 and
Hmm.
50,000.
Okay, see when you have range of values, we should go for between 25,000 and 50,000. Okay. Okay, this way, so same thing. Now suppose like so only between, is there any other option?
Then greater than
Less than greater than.
price or
Okay.
greater than
Price
greater than 25,000,
greater
less
than.
than 50,000.
So where price greater than equal to 25,000 and the price less than equal to 50,000. This is fine. So far good. Now suppose like I want to have this. Okay, suppose like I want to handle these two conditions then in a single condition.
25,000 to 25,000 and the last 1 lakh range between.
Okay, see one more time. Now tell me price between 25,000 and 1 lakh or price
1
less
lakh.
than price greater than equal to 25,000 and the price less than equal to 1 lakh. So this is clear so far. Now see, I want to handle these three conditions in a single condition. Tell me. So single condition I want to get. Yes, anyone?
Price is equal less than 25,000. Price is equal to greater than 1 lakh.
One more time.
Price is equal to less than or equal to 25,000 and price is equal to greater than 1 lakh.
No, come again. What you're saying to say? So where it won't work.
Price less than or equal to
Less
25,000.
than mean it can start from anything.
So select the star from, okay, suppose like something table. So where, tell me where what you're saying. Okay, see.
Where price is less than 1 lakh.
Okay, simply what, okay, no, see, I know, so see, from these three things, okay, so 25,000, 50,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh. I know ending limit. What about say less than 25,000? It can be 0, it can be 1. So I know ending limit. When we know ending limit, what simply
Only
can
less
write?
than or equal.
Price less than
1 lakh.
equals to 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Because no, I know start less than in the sense like what? It can be any value. We don't know starting limit. We know ending limit. Okay, you get the point. The same thing. Suppose like I want to handle these three conditions in a single query. Then
Price is equal to greater than 25,000.
Price greater than or equal to 25,000.
okay, see price 25,000. So tell me one more time. What we know starting limit or ending limit?
We know the starting limit.
Starting limit. Simply it's a what? So price greater than or equal to
25,000.
Same thing. Now suppose like I want to handle. Now I want to handle all these conditions. Then tell me. In a single query, I want to handle all these conditions. Tell me.
Price greater than or equal to 1 lakh.
Greater than equal to
We can
what?
star. The column can select all the values whatever it is there.
Oh, sorry.
Now I want so all the conditions to be satisfied with the single condition.
There is no limit now, sir.
Okay, see simply what can write? We can put so where price greater than equal to 0. Simple, like just if you want to, we can able to make it. Okay, get to the point. So or else like we don't put any conditions. So clear so far? Like this way you can able to make it. See, seeing this use case, see what happened. If you know starting limit and limit, we should go for either between concept or greater than less than concept like this. Okay, see like this. Okay, see, from this thing, what happened? We know ending limit. Simply put, less than or equal to 1 lakh. Like this. Okay, so like this only the things will happen. Okay, so these are like logical things going on. So go back here. So we'll give the stars. Try to see. Try to solve those things. Okay. And we'll see this task. I'll try and send this thing. Try to solve it. So like this. Okay. So far we discussed. So understand what is Snowflake. Okay. See what exactly to do. Next one is that what? How to create database schema. So create multiple tables. Completed SQL statements completely. Okay. Do the SQL statement. Now see the filtering concept and the sorting concept. In this one, there are so many things. Okay. So where class and or in between. Okay. Next one is that sorting. So greater than, less than. Okay. So distinct. So there are so many things. Okay? So complete all the things. So by Monday, we'll see different topics. So these are the filtering concept and sorting. So, okay. So first you should be comfortable with this UI. Okay. This is important. Okay. See. So, okay. So database. Okay. If you want to navigate to these things, so click on this thing, set worksheet context. Okay. Show tables. Okay. How to see list of tables? Go for show tables. Okay. Like this. Okay. So list of tables. Now, if you want to see the columns, so describe table. So table. Okay. So these things you should understand. Okay. So table, I want to see data, select statement, insert some data. So, okay. So complete the SQL statements one more time. So this filtering concept, then we can able to proceed. And what's 9-1?